Hi guys, welcome to Follow and Review with Shekhar Suman. So a very warm welcome.
Thank you so much.
So you all set to
all set
to come back on television.
Well, I wouldn't say come back, but I'm all set and excited about this new flavor in the show, which is a different kind of a show. It talks about extraordinary, ordinary men, and that's what I'm excited about.
So what was the one thing that came to your mind while doing this show? Because you know, when we say Shekhar Suman, there's an image which comes of movies and Shekhars where you introduce
Right, so there is a lot more to Shekhar Suman than just that image that occurs, and I guess.
But when we think about Shekhar Suman on television,
yes. So no, that of course is an intrinsic part of my personality, and that would be there. But I think in a lesser proportion, because the show's nature is very different. It talks about people's perilous journey from nowhere to sky's the limit kind of a thing. They were poor, they came from different backgrounds, different professions, but they had one thing in common. I think they had the strength to just move on despite all impediments and all oddities, and that's what kept them going, and they were able to achieve what they had dreamt of. So that's what drew me towards this show, and that's what was so exciting about the show.
When you met these kind of people, you got inspired in something?
Yes, of course. I think every person that you meet who has a story to tell you, some inspiring story to tell you, he would inspire you in a million ways. So I guess that we are so bound within the confines of our own life that we don't know what people have gone through in life to achieve what they have. And probably at some point of your life you become little sort of self-centered to think that your journey is very exciting. But little do you realize that people have probably encountered far more difficulties than you could ever imagine to reach where they have, and that's what is very inspiring. And the far greater tragedies that happen in people's life, and that's why talking to 13 different people from different walks of life with 13 different stories and myriad problems, and despite that, having the zeal and having the courage and the confidence to overcome all these difficulties was so challenging for me as a host to talk to them about all these challenges, and was so excited.
But while you interacted with them, was there any point that you got emotional or something that touched you?
Many points. I think there was this gentleman who was talking about, he's a big businessman, he is settled in Lucknow, and he said he was on the way to becoming a billionaire, and until one day he lost his son suddenly. And I think that's the point that got me all emotional, because I have been through similar tragedy in my life. I lost my son to a heart ailment, and I think that I nearly choked while talking to him, because perhaps in that room I was the only one who could understand the tragedy that he's gone through. Unless you don't go through the tragedy, you can probably empathize with him, but you won't, or sympathize with him, but you won't feel the pain. I felt the pain talking to him, because I've still not been able to get over that tragedy. And there are many such moments when I felt that this was such a huge tragedy, and I wonder how he overcame that.